In order to be a half decent sales professional, you have to have the ability to think on your feet. Sales professionals, good ones at least, have the ability to think on their feet, have the ability to be agile. Unfortunately, that bleeds into some bad habits when it comes to things like making preparation mandatory. Preparation for everything. Preparation for my week, preparation for my month, preparation for my day. Preparation before I send an email. Preparation before I make a phone call, a video call, or a meeting. They don't believe that preparation is mandatory because the narrative is either I do this enough live that I can figure it out, or if I get myself stuck, I trust myself to think on my feet. And because a lot of good professionals get away with that, they now have reinforcing evidence that they can get away with it. So then they just fall into this habit of never preparing, never really sitting down and thinking about it. Now, here's the big issue with that. If you have aspirations of operating at an elite level and staying there and building a career as an elite professional, you have to be able to maintain your quality of decision making, your quality of interaction, your quality of whatever you do, building trust at scale.